How many ads have you seen today? Maybe you watched one just before this video. Companies like Apple, Microsoft and even Google spend millions of dollars in advertising. But why? Because ads are extremely powerful and perhaps one of the best ways to reach new customers. With every passing day, we are becoming inseparable from our phones and we use it for everything from chatting to watching videos to listening to music. Our mobile phones have become our life, and with that comes an opportunity to serve ads and a lot of ads. EdTech giants like Unacademy and PhysicsWala started off as YouTube channels but now have grown to become unicorns worth billions, and they too leverage every possible online handle to acquire new customers, be it social media, emails, influencer marketing, billboard advertising, TV advertisements, or creating hundreds and hundreds of YouTube channels. Digital marketing is a powerful tool, and in this video we will learn about what is digital marketing, what are the different forms of digital marketing, and how does it affect our daily life.
Hi everyone, my name is Shashank and I run a gifting company called Stone Santa, which I started right out of college, built it from scratch without having raised any external capital. All thanks to the world of digital marketing. In this video, I will share my experiences and observations with digital marketing and cover the different types of digital marketing tools that exist today. From social media marketing to email marketing to influencer marketing to affiliate marketing to content strategy to paid advertisements. We will try to cover all of this. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Number one, social media marketing. Nas Daily started his journey as a creator by posting videos on Facebook, and 1,000 videos later, he became one of the most popular creators globally. Finance with Sharan started off by educating people about finances with a touch of humor, and today he's the founder of a company called the 1% Club, valued at 100 crores. Kylie Jenner, one of the youngest billionaires, started her beauty brand by leveraging the audience she had built on Instagram. Vaibhav Sisinti, a genius marketeer, leveraged LinkedIn left, right and center to build a massive audience, and today he runs Growth School, an edtech company valued at hundreds of crores. And then there are many more examples of individuals and businesses who have leveraged different social media handles, be it Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, to build an audience. And when you've built an audience, you can always translate that trust into selling products and building a nice, viable business. Today, we are surrounded with many social media handles. We have Facebook, we have LinkedIn, we have Twitter, we have YouTube. And then there are specialized social media handles like Pinterest, we have Behance, we have Dribbble, we have Flickr. So if you are a businessman or an individual who wants to leverage social media handles, you need to identify where is it that your audience hangs out and then deliver them content that they would like. And if you do that consistently, if you do that continually, by increasingly adding value, people would trust you, and that trust can translate into dollars. So if you're a brand who wants to build an audience, social media marketing is perhaps one of the easiest ways to get started. And if you're an individual who wants to get started with the world of digital marketing, social media as a career could be a very good option. There are hundreds and thousands of job openings in the world of social media. So if you want to get started, social media could be a very good way. Number two, performance marketing or paid ads. Have you ever visited a website only to find their ads on Instagram and other social media handles that you use? Is it coincidence or magic? Companies like Facebook, Google, Twitter make billions in dollars by selling ads. And if you look at the global ad spends, it's crossed trillions in dollars, and it is only going to rise very fast. Paid ads can come in many forms. One, you can have direct ads on Instagram stories or Reels or on YouTube, or it can appear when you're searching for something specifically on Google. So if you go on to search for best furniture store near me, there are high chances you will find ads of Urban Ladder and other furniture companies. If you go on to search for digital marketing courses near me, again, you will be served with ads. Or ads can come in emails or on OTT platforms, and the list goes on and on. The art and science of understanding where your users are, what their interests are, and then serving them with personalized ads by spending money is performance marketing. To summarize, it is one of the most popular forms of digital marketing, and it allows advertisers to track every dollar spent to see the correlations between their ad spend and the results, be it website visits or product sales or app downloads or followers. This data-driven approach ensures that marketing budgets are not expenses but investments with quantifiable returns. Interestingly, 70% of all the ad spends don't work for businesses. So if you're looking to build a career in performance ads, there's enough and more room for you. Number 3, search engine optimization. If you search for handmade portraits on Google, Stoned Santa comes up at the top. If you search for cardiologists near me, urologists near me, physicians near me, Practo comes up. If you search for design social media posts, Canva will come at the top. Or if you go to YouTube and search for anything related to yoga, spirituality, meditation, high chances videos of Sadhguru would come up. How does Google or YouTube decide which videos or websites to rank at the top? Is it all left to luck, or do you think there is a method to this madness? Search engine optimization is the art and science of understanding search engine algorithms, what your user wants, and then mapping all of this to business requirements such that your website, video, or article ranks at the top. There are 3 important aspects of SEO. Number 1, creating a lot of high quality content. I run a gifting company, so I will talk about gifts or gifting occasions or the products that I am selling. If I start talking about politics, Google search engines may not value me so much. Number 2, backlinks. How will search engines trust your content? If you need to take a medicine, whose advice would you listen to? A doctor's or a musician friend? Similarly, when you have a website, the value of your content increases if relevant websites in your niche give you a backlink. For example, let's take Practo. It makes complete sense to get a backlink from a website that talks about medical content rather than getting referred by an entertainment website. So once you've created good and great content, the next step for you would be to get backlinks from trusted websites, which will increase the authority of your website. Number 3, user experience and usability of the website. What's the point of having great content and great backlinks if your website is not user friendly, if it is not fast, if it is not mobile optimized? And not just that, there are some other technical aspects which SEO consultants or SEO executives will look at before they upload their website on Google. To conclude, SEO is one of the best forms of growing your business provided you do it right. Companies like Car Dekho, Airbnb, Practo, Canva, and many more have built themselves on the backbone of SEO. And in today's world, when the cost of paid advertising is skyrocketing, it's important to have SEO as your best friend. And I'm glad that Stone Santa leverages SEO really well to grow its audience. Number 4, influencer marketing. If you have watched TVF Kota Factory, you would have noticed Unacademy popping in here and there again and again. And not just TVF, there are many more creators and individuals who partner with brands and leverage the trust that they have built with their audience by promoting their product. And this is especially true and rampant in 2 industries. One is EdTech and the other one is finance. Educational companies like PhysicsWala, Unacademy, Byju's go on and partner with every possible educator and creator out there, hoping to win the trust of their audiences, thereby making a lot of money. Remember when Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma got married? Manyavar came and partnered with them. When Deepika and Ranveer were getting married, Sabyasachi came and sponsored the wedding. If not the wedding dress. And all of this led to the followers of Ranveer and Deepika knowing about Sabyasachi. If not knowing about them, trusting them enough to make money. Influencer marketing is one of the fastest growing modes of digital marketing, and companies have elaborate teams just to identify and work with influencers. And one of the prime reasons why influencer marketing works is people trust the creators, and creators can leverage that trust and turn that into transaction, and that leads to good and great conversions for brands promoting it, and perhaps why influencer marketing is growing so rapidly. Because in a world where you're seeing so many ads, you don't have the attention span to click and connect with the ad. However, if your favorite creator is talking about a brand, you will at least listen and pay attention. And in today's world where attention is the topmost currency, you can always leverage it to make a lot of money. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Word of mouth is perhaps one of the best ways to grow your brand, and the art and science of productizing and gamifying this referral is affiliate marketing. Let's understand this with an example. You must have seen famous YouTubers like MKBHD, Ali Abdal, and many more promote Skillshare on their YouTube handles. All they ask you is to use a certain coupon code and get a discount. But when you use this coupon code, the organization, the company gets to know that, okay, this person has come from MKBHD. So not only does the user get a discount, but the creator gets a kickback or a commission. And this is called affiliate fees. Another observation you must have had is top creators on YouTube and Instagram, they will often share the links of the Amazon products that they have purchased. And whenever you make a purchase from this particular link, this creator will get an affiliate commission. That again is affiliate marketing. Today, there are elaborate programs by companies wherein marketers and influencers can sign up for their affiliate programs and make money off distribution. Amazon's affiliate program is perhaps one of the largest affiliate programs in the world. It's called Amazon Associates. Then we have brands like Nike, Apple, Adobe, and many large organizations offering official affiliate programs. All you got to do is use these affiliate programs, participate, and then make money off referrals. So if you run a business and are selling products and courses, you may want to leverage affiliate marketing as a channel of growth. Or if you are a creator and have a good audience base, you may want to sign up for affiliate programs and then make some passive money. Number 6, email marketing, newsletters, or WhatsApp marketing. Ever noticed websites luring you to share your email IDs by asking you to roll a wheel, offering you discount, or asking you to sign up for their newsletters in exchange for valuable resources or discounts again? Email marketing is one of the most underrated forms of digital marketing, but if done well, can help businesses make a lot of money. And the best part about email marketing is you own the email IDs and are not dependent on the algorithms of any social media platform. Meaning, if I upload something on Instagram, the Instagram algorithm can shadow ban me, preventing my content from reaching my own very followers. But that will not be the case with email marketing. In fact, there are a lot of genius marketers who say this, that email marketing is one of the best. So when social media handles are shadow banning you, email is your best friend. There are two fundamental aspects of email marketing. The number one, who is it that you are sending your emails to? That is the users who will be receiving your email. The second, what is the content that you're sending out and what is the call to action desired? Do you want people just to read your newsletter so that they can stay in touch with you as a brand, or do you want them to buy something from you or maybe watch a YouTube video? Brands like Duolingo send out lakhs of emails to their users to increase app engagement. Social media companies like LinkedIn, Quora would send out emails to bring users back to their platforms and ultimately show them ads so that they can make money. Consumer companies will send you birthday emails or discount emails to bring in more sales. Media companies will send you articles and newsletters to create more engagement. I use emails to reach out to HRs and event managers trying to sell them gifts for their employees and customers. And just like that, there are hundreds and thousands of use cases where emails will help businesses win customers and make a lot of money. And the art and science of understanding these two things, who is your user and what is it that you want this user to do, and then sending them emails to get the job done, is email marketing. Number 7, content marketing. One thing that's common in all of these forms of marketing that we talked about, email marketing, paid ads, influencer marketing, social media, SEO, something that's common in all of them is content. Now, content can be text, images, video, long text, short text, email headers, content, blogs, etc., etc. And the art and science of creating content is content marketing. So I wouldn't classify content marketing as a different subject altogether, because I believe content marketing is an integral part of any marketing that you do. But then there are individuals and brands who have a very special sense of understanding content and then being able to leverage it on different digital handles for maximum output. For example, Sadhguru, the guru who broke the internet, understands content so well that he today has hundreds of YouTube channels in different languages. So this way he's creating a lot of organic content, and when people watch content related to spirituality, yoga, etc., etc., they will trust Sadhguru, and that trust can translate into money. Red Bull, it's an energy drink company, but you will notice Red Bull's social media handles full of adventure. You have Red Bull sponsoring extreme adventure sports events and then creating a lot of content out of that. So when you consume Red Bull's content, you get that adventurous feeling, and that helps them sell a lot of energy drinks. The campaign shot on iPhone. Now, companies don't want to create content all by themselves, so they can smartly gamify the process such that your users end up talking about your product. The campaign shot on iPhone is perhaps one of the best examples of this, with 29 million posts on Instagram alone. The shot on iPhone campaign has generated billions in media impressions, saving Apple millions of dollars in advertising revenue. So ultimately, content is a great way to attract attention, and once you have attention, you can get the user to engage with your brand and ultimately sell products and services to them. Personally, I too have benefited a lot from content marketing. When I started my company back in college, I started writing on Quora and wrote a few blogs here and there, and all of that content helped me get attention, and that attention led to people knowing about me and Stone Santa, and ultimately some of them became customers. So I was able to build my brand without investing any money into marketing. As of now, you may see I'm creating this YouTube video, which again is a form of content marketing, and if done well, if done consistently, hopefully my YouTube channel will grow big enough for me to establish myself as an educator and hopefully get some of you viewers to purchase gifts from Stone Santa. To conclude, digital marketing is a powerful tool that can change business landscapes if done well, and is booming as a career option. So if you aspire to become a digital marketer, it's a great time to upskill yourself and join the workforce, because businesses are hungry to hire talented marketers. I hope this video helped you, and I look forward to your feedback in the comments. And if you watched this video till this very end, take your hand, pat yourself on the back, and perhaps go and smash the like and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.